guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone, this is chapter 34. Let's start reading. Rongchi? Sana nga to? Oo, tama yung kakarating niya lang. I'm done waiting. I was planning to fight for you when I became as powerful as Yiting, but that would take too long. I will never let you go again. May mga plano naman pala si Rongchi. Kaya lang, of course, kailangan na niyang matapos yung world na to para makabalik na siya sa real world niya. Chiyu? Oh my gosh, who is she? Parang may babae. Istorbo ka, girl. Silly girl. Sabi na may babae talaga eh. Chi? Sino ka, girl? Istorbo ka sa moment nila, ha? Who is she? Is she your girlfriend? Kita mo to? Kita mo nga may babaeng kasama, nakapatong pa, tapos nagtanong ka pa ng ganyan. What do you want? Tama, tanong ka tuloy anong gusto mo. Ba't may paiyak-iyak ka? You liar. Chi, you told me you had no girlfriend. Tapos, anong problema niya? Ba't paiyak-iyak ka? What did you do? Did you play with her feelings? Napagalitan tuloy si Rongchi. Ikaw nagiging playboy ka ha? Am I really that kind of person in your eyes? She has a relative who works in our company and has visited my office several times before. But I don't know her name. May bisita lang pala eh. May kamag-anak ka lang pala sa kumpanya, tapos kumakaasta ka, girl. Close kayo na, Chi. Close yarn. Chi, I'm your business partner's sister. How could you not know my name? Tama, business partner. Tapos, hindi naman pala ikaw yung direct na business partner. Kamag-anak ka lang pala. Your brother went to check the samples in the factory. You can find him there. See? Wala siyang pakialam sa'yo. Of course, wala naman kayong direct business. You will never be happy with a straight boyfriend like him. Straight? Straight or streak? Pakialam nitong babaeng to sa relasyon nila. Wala ka naman palang connection sa kay Rongchi kung makapag-asta tong babaeng to. You told me you had no female friends. I knew you lied, like every other man does in this thing. Nagalit tuloy. Galit yarn. Of course, ito kasi talagang bet niya, di ba? Even in the previous worlds. Are you jealous? I didn't know you wanted me so much. What kind of a person do you think I am? Nagtitis pa to eh. Nang popovoke yarn. Pero aminin, sila talagang dalawang bagay, di ba? I'm not jealous. You lied. Galit tuloy si ano. Pangalan nga niya dito. We just kissed and you're already thinking of dumping me? Bilis mo lang talaga, Rongchi. You kissed me. I should scold you for being such an impulsive pervert. You came to watch me race cars when we were seniors. We fell from the slope together, but you prevented my head from being hurt. Hmm, ano ba yung nangyari? Later, I accidentally stabbed my scumbag father with a knife, but you stepped out and covered up for me. Ano man ngayon? Dun siya na in love. Dahil ginawa niya yun. Na-touch siya, ganun. Then you came to me while I was boxing and cared for me when I was hurt and hospitalized. Iniisa-isa niya yung mga good things na nagawa niya. So you were the one who made all the moves first. And so, bagay, kung ikakalculate yung mga nangyari. Siya talaga nauna tapos ngayon dumating na naman siya. Sana naman nauna napunta sa capital. I don't care who you like, but I will never let you go. I will make you forget the other guy and fall for me gradually. Mhm. Sabihin gusto din siya ni Rongchi. You mentioned several times that you would never let me go if I came to you. What if I have to live? I will get you back whatever it takes. Ibang live naman kasi yung tinutukoy niya. Pero hindi niya magigets of course. I will look and wait for you until the day I die. Sakit naman. But we're barely 20 now. We've got a long life. How could you be sure you won't meet some girls who's prettier and better than me? Ay, nag-emote na siya. Kasi alam niyo mawawala talaga siya dito sa world na to eh. Kawawa yung maiiwan niya, no? Chuyan, I know how long I can stay in love with somebody. Time will tell. Yep, time will tell. At siguradong mauubusan na naman ng time si Chuyan. Nalipat na naman siya sa ibang world. Maybe, but I don't have time for that. Sarili na lang niya naisip yan. Wala naman talaga siyang time. Kasi limited time lang naman talaga meron siya. My mission is almost over. It will only hurt both of us if I let him get too deep in this. Pero yun yung kailangan mo, di ba, mapamper niya para makalipat ka sa ibang world. How long are you planning to stay in the capital? I'll be here until I feel pampered. What? I mean, you should pay me back. You should pay me back. My sister made you believe she was the one who saved your brother. Now that you know the truth, you should thank me for saving him. So don't you think you should do something to pay me back? Okay, how do you want me to do that? How about giving myself to you? Yun pa talaga yung naisip niya. Iba ka din, huh? That tickles. I can't believe you said it. I'm not suggesting that. Can't you think of something else? Blush na siya. You can take me to a nice meal, give me presents, or accompany me somewhere beautiful. Oh, I see. You want a romantic relationship, huh? Ano naman, iniba na naman yan. Siyempre, iba yung magiging ano niya dyan. Interpretation. Okay, I'll give you one starting tonight, sweetheart. Sweetheart agad. So, ito na yung start ng pag-pamper ni Rongchi kay Chuyan. Anyway, that's the end of this chapter. So, let's see what will happen on the next one. Kung mapoprovide pa niya yung pamper kung gaano katagal bago siya lilipat sa bagong world na naman. At ma-hurt na naman ang ating Rongchi dito sa world na ito. At hindi lang siya ang ma-hurt, tatlo silang lalaki. Anyway, please don't forget to like and subscribe and see you the next one. Bye.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next